Thank you. News just in. Diligent, hard-working dudes at the car buying team have just uncovered something of a rich vein of blue oval ore in the form of a bunch of Ford Rangers and Everests, which are either here now or due over the next few months. This is salient because you normally have to sit on your ass waiting for 12 months for vehicles such as this. These cars are Victorian only. So Victorian customers only. If you're in Afghanistan, then you're in luck. The rest of Shitsville, not so much. But here's what we found anyway. On the Ford Ranger front, there's a bunch of wild tracks. They're all V6s. There's black, orange, aluminium, and meteor grey. And some of them are due at the end of the month, and some of them are due over the next couple of months. So there's that. There's also a Ranger Sport V6 in Arctic White, which is kind of here now, interestingly enough. And an XLT, that's also a V6. It's a dual cab pickup in Arctic White. That's due here just in time for New Year, like bees dick, dude, just in time kind of thing. That's what's happening on the Ranger front. On Everest, there's a couple of Platinums. They're 4x4 V6s, both in meteor grey, and one of them is due at the end of September, and the other one is due at the end of February next year. So you want to get in quick if you want that one that is due in September, I'd suggest. There's also 4 Everest Sport. There's 2 V6 or 3 V6s, Blue Lightning, Arctic White, Meteor Grey, and they've got a range of different availabilities later this year or early next year. Plus there's a Sport 4x2 2-litre Shadow Black, which is due at the very end of the year, as we would have said as kids. Most of those Everests are 4x4s. The last one, the 2-litre bi-turbo one, is a 4x2. So there's that. And the glacé cherry on the icing of the cake here, if you're a tradie or delivery dude or a serial killer, there's a couple of Transits as well. There's a rear-wheel drive in Frozen White, which is due to be here right now, actually. And there's another Transit, which is Sport DC Grey Matter, due at the end of next month. So, you know, the family next door, the little kiddies might be saying to you, "Oh, look, Mommy, the serial killer next door has a new Transit." Mommy might say, "Oh, that's lovely. We might invite him over for afternoon tea on Sunday and see what he's been doing lately." That's what we found. Anyway, I would suggest if you want one of these cars, you want to get in pronto and just go to autoexpert.com.au, click the contact link, the Save Thousands link. It'll take you to the contact page, and I'll put a link in the description as well if you're interested. Do not be dilly-dallying on this, however, because cars like this with the normal 12-month wait, I think they're going to evaporate rather quickly. You have been warned.